Okay, so we've drawn this line. Let's rename the line. Sorry, this shape. Let's just call it line for simplicity's sake. Now, we're not going to recreate these icons just yet. We're going to do the text here and then the buttons, and then we'll come back and do those in a separate video. So let's drag our text layer. And one more thing, let's use one more guide to see where we can start the text. And from there we can go ahead and hide our reference. Okay, so let's drag our text layer out. And let's see, this is email. Okay, that actually already looks about right. 55 pixels is the perfect size, but let's change it from ultra light to light. And then this is really dark black. We're going to make this like a faint light gray. Maybe even fainter than that. Maybe even just a little bit more. And that's perfect. And instead of doing that exact same thing, let's just duplicate this layer. So Control J, we're going to duplicate the email text layer, or Command J. With our Move tool, Shift and drag down. We've done this many a time. And we're going to put it right in here. And let's just change the contents by hovering over it. And this is password. Perfect. Now let's pull up our reference so we can begin doing these buttons. Now I just want to drag another guide here so we know where the top is, another guide for the bottom, and we'll do the same for the other button. And let's just fix this guide, it looks a bit off. Great, now let's make this button, and we're going to do it the same way we did it in the last tutorial. We're going to use our rounded rectangle tool, and it's set to 5 pixels in radius, which is going to be about right. And we'll drag this out. Okay, I can already tell you that 5 pixels isn't enough, so I'm going to hit Control or Command Z to redo this, to undo it, and then we'll redraw it, this time with 20 pixels. Okay, alright, and that's close enough. Now that doesn't look very good. That's okay. Let's go ahead and hide our reference layer again. And you guys know the drill. We need to get the color. I can just click back over here, grab this color. It is now selected in our foreground. So we're going to come back to our rounded rectangle, and we'll call this layer by double clicking on it login button. And let's give this a double click, color overlay, and paste in that green color. And we need to grab it first, so quickly green, Control C, Command C, and let's use our cover overlay and paste. Perfect. Now we just need to add some text, and we can add it to the center by clicking our text tool inside the shape we just drew. Perfect, and I want to change the color to white. We know that we're not going to be able to see it with that green color. And I'm going to write login. Now that is not centered. That's because in paragraph we have it offset to the left. So let's come back here, highlight the text, and center it. There we go, and we're going to continue on in the next video.